everyone, welcome you all again in chapter 5, applying formatting effects. So student, we are going to go further in applying formatting effects. Okay, so first of all, let's again start with how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, it's very easy. Go to the start menu and go to the all programs and then go to the Microsoft Office. As I click on the Microsoft Office, your Microsoft Office PowerPoint will open. Okay, so this is how your Microsoft PowerPoint window opens. I'm repeating these steps again and again to make you learn how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. And in other windows like Windows 10, you can search and you can open it. Okay. So today we are going to learn. Yesterday we are already learned with how to change the background of the background color of your text. Okay. And today we are going, and also we learned about the different types of indents we can have. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the how to add the table and how to enter the data in the table. Okay, so let's choose one more slide. This is your first slide. It is always for the title one. Okay, and for the work for doing your for adding your content, you need a next slide. Okay, so for adding a new slide, there are two options: Control and M keys together. Okay, Control and M keys together. Okay, as you pressed Control and M keys together, your new slide will open in front of you, or either you can go to the home tab and in the new slide option, if you will click, your new slide will open in front of you. Okay, so let's start. How to add a table. In the previous video also I have explained you how to add a table, but we are in this topic, so that's why again we will repeat how to insert table. How to insert table, there are two options. One is there from here you can add your table, like from this slide you can add the table from here. Okay, clear to everyone? You can add a table from here. Okay, there is a symbol available in your slide from where you can add your table. Or other way is that go to the insert option. Okay, go to the insert option and in the table group, there is only one option available there, one tool available there for table. It's table only. Okay, just click on the down arrow button. There will be option for selection of table also, but it is limited to 10 to 8 table, 10 to 8 size, and if you want size more than this, you can click on the insert table option. This insert table dialog box will appear, so you can type your own choice number of column, number of and rows. Okay, according to your own choice. For example, 10 by 10 I want, so like 10 rows, 10 column. So table regarding this will also appear. You can also enter data in this table, like for example I am entering like name. Okay, then subject like math. Okay, science. Okay, English. Okay, computer. Okay, Hindi. Okay, SST. Okay, Sanskrit, and whatever is left, GK, and then total. Just like we can make a table like this. Okay, and you can enter data, for example name, entering a name like Aarti. Okay, Riddhi. Okay, like Raj, like Tina, like Meena, like Akriti, like Swati, okay, like Vansh, okay, sorry, it's Swati, okay, Vansh, okay, and you can have marks like 50 out of 50, okay, 45, 50, 50, 49, okay, 44, like this. You can enter the text or you can enter the data like this, okay. So you can enter the data like this, okay. Clear to everyone? You can make a table like this, you can enter the data like this, okay. So click on the pointer on which cell you want to enter. For example, I want to enter in this cell, so I will click here and this cell will be active and I can type the marks, okay. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now let's use the table tools. Students, are you all able to see when I inserted this table? A design table tool. Table tool design are appeared automatically here. Okay, and with the help of these table tools, you can enhance your table. You can make your table more attractive. Okay, you can use these tools and you can make your table more attractive and appealing. Okay, so let's use this. See these are the designs. Okay, these are the table styles that you can apply in your table. For example, this type of table you want, this type of table you want, this type of table you want. Whatever the type you want, you will select, the table will convert it to that type only. See? So there are so many types of styles are there. So you can choose any size, any type, whatever you want in your table. Okay? Any type of, any color, type and the style, whatever, so many styles are available there. You can apply any of them. Okay? There are so many tools available, like pen color tool is there. One of the pen color tool is there. Are you able to see? This is your pen color tool. Changes the border color. Okay. This pen color tool helps you to change the border color. For example, I am using this color. So this will change the border color. Okay. Or either I can use this green color. Okay. So first of all, select the table. Okay. And this is your pen color. चेंजेस द बॉर्डर कलर. ओके, आप बॉर्डर का कलर चेंज करना चाहते हो, आपकी बॉर्डर का कलर चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इन विच बॉर्डर यू वांट टू हाईलाइट, यू कैन सेलेक्ट दैट बॉर्डर फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, वेट अ मिनट. यू कैन हैव, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वांट टू चेंज बाय येलो कलर, सो आई वांट दिस बॉर्डर टू बी ऑफ येलो कलर. See, I can use this pen to change the border color. See, this is of now yellow color, or either I want a red color, so I can choose a red color. So I am making this border as a red color. Okay, and like this. See, so the color of border can be changed with the help of this pen color tool. And you can have the different types of borders also. Like you want a thick border, then you can choose this regular, and now you can have a thick border like this. Okay. See, so this is your size of pen color. Okay, when you will increase your size, then your pen color will be converted to this. And you can have the lines also of different type. Like you want dotted line, so your pen color line will also be dotted. See, it is in dotted form. So this is how you can make changes in your table to make understand the others your points and your data. Okay, next is pen style. Okay, next is your pen style tool is there. Okay, pen style tool I have already explained you. This is your pen style tool. Okay, these above are the pen style tool from where you can choose the type of line you want to draw in border. Next is there is split cell option. Okay, split cell. Split cell option is also available there. Divide the cell further into separate cells in rows and column. Okay, wait a minute. So there is also a draw table option where you can draw any table. Okay, you can divide any cell. Okay, you can divide any cell into two cells. See, it is converted into two columns. One row can also be converted into two. Can also be converted into two. See, one row is divided into two. So it is a split cell option. It is with the help of draw table. Okay, clear to you everyone? In your border button. Okay, these are all available in your, and one of the border button is also there where you can apply borders. Okay, with the help of which you can apply borders, bottom border, you want no border, any type of diagonal border you want. Okay, so these all things can be done with the help of border option. One is your alignment is also available there. Okay, so which type of alignment you want, you can also have. This can be done by the home tab. Okay, this is by the home tab. Okay, you can select this, you can select all, and you can have center alignment. So your text will be centrally aligned. Okay, so now select the table again and these tool will display in front of everyone. Okay, so these are all tools available here to use. Shading is also there. You can shade your appropriate, for example, this row you want to select. Okay, like this. So you can have a different shading color like this. Okay, like you want to shade your table like this, so you can also shade a table like this. These are the shading effects. Okay, and you can have the board your table into a 3D form. Okay, your table will be reflected down. Are you able to see? Your table is up but it is reflecting down also. Okay, so these are shadow effects you can also apply in your table. Okay, these are some quick styles also. Okay, just like red color, like you want a red color text, so your text will be converted into red. Either you want in a green color, so all text will be in green color. You want it in a dark green color, your color will be dark green color. Okay, you can have these all. You can merge the color. Green and black is merged into a dark green color. It means your innermost color is your green, but outermost color of the text is black. Okay, this is your outline color of the text and this is your inner color. Clear to everyone? Just like, let me, okay, wait a minute, this is your, just like I want to do the, not black, I want to do the red. So if you are able to see, I am making it little bit large, then it will be displayed to you very easily. See, your outline color is red and the inner color is your inner color is green. Okay, outline color is red and the inner color is green. So this is how, this is with the help of this. Or either you can have inner color yellow, sorry, not inner color will be yellow and the outer color will be green. See, Okay, so this is how you can change. Now we will learn about the charts in PowerPoint. How to insert chart in PowerPoint. Okay, so all you have learned about your table. Okay, student, after this chapter, when your chapter will complete, I am going to give you a table, to make a table in PowerPoint, and it should be beautiful. I will give you a topic. Okay, basically I will give you a topic of PowerPoint presentation where you need to do these all things. Okay, where you need to do all these things, like to insert chart, to insert your table. Okay, these all things you need to do. So let's learn how to insert chart. Okay, so first of all we need to insert one new slide. Okay, so go to the home tab. In the new slide option also you can take. For inserting chart also there are two options. One is from your slide. Okay, from your slide you can click your slide and you can insert your chart. Okay, the another way of inserting chart is here from your insert menu. Click on the insert and go to the chart option. Okay, as you click on the chart option, your types of chart will be available. So whatever the type of chart you want to insert, you need to click. For example, there are column chart in your syllabus. We are going to learn about the column chart, bar chart, your line chart, and your pie chart. First 4 chart we are going to learn. Other charts are also available, but we are going to learn about the 4 chart mainly. Okay, the main 4 chart are these. So first of all, let's insert a one chart column chart. As we clicked on this type of chart will be available. Okay, whenever we are inserting chart, this is your column chart. उसका एक proper डेटा होगा, डेटा के अकॉर्डिंग आपके चार्ट इंसर्ट होता है. ओके, देयर विल बी अ डेटा. ओके, जैसे ही आप चार्ट इंसर्ट करोगे एक विंडो अपेयर हो जाएगी, एक्सेल विंडो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल विंडो विल अपेयर. ओके, दिस इज योर एक्सेल विंडो ऑफ पावर पॉइंट, और यू कैन से चार्ट विंडो ऑफ पावर पॉइंट कॉल्ड डेटा शीट. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेटा शीट. हेयर यू नीड टू insert your data. This is your by default data. Here you need to change the data into your own type of data you want. Okay, own type of data you want. Okay, for example, you are inserting the names. Okay, like Alicia, Vinod. Okay, Monica, and next is your Ashish. Okay, and we are writing the names, you are writing the numbers like 50, okay, 80, your 90, okay, and 60, 61, 65, like 95, okay, 80 and 85, okay, and 89 and 54, like this, and 68. So these are the marks of the students. Okay, and series 1 are like your math subject, your science, and your English. Okay, so these are the marks. These bars are symbolizing, and you can close this. Either you can close and you can have like this. So see, your graph, your chart is ready. Okay, you can explain. For example, you are comparing something. Whenever you are comparing something, always it is better to show by the chart, show by the graphs. Okay, because comparison is easily helpful with the help of graphs. Okay, just like Alisha, Vinod, Monica, okay, having the math, science and English marks comparison. Okay, Alisha is having math marks in 50s, like science marks in 80s, and English marks in 90s. You can also see the graph of the Vinod and graph of the Monica and graph of the Ashish. Okay, so these are the chart of your column chart that representing the data in a diagrammatical way. Okay, so this is how you can insert your chart. We will learn more and we will elaborate about the component of chart. So thank you everyone. So this is your chart. We are going to learn this topic in our next video. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video.